Hey everybody, it's Matt here, and today I thought I'd take an extra step in the xVVS journey on VVS Finance. So previously I took you through how to stake your VVS tokens to get xVVS. But what about withdrawing them, converting them back from xVVS to VVS? These are not tradable tokens, these xVVS ones. You have to unstake them to convert them back from xVVS to VVS. On the VVS Finance website, or DApp, how do you do that? Well, before we jump into that, I just need to say this is not at all financial advice. This is purely for your own entertainment. You should do all of your own research and definitely don't invest anything that you can't afford to lose. Now, I'm going to use the Crypto.com Defi Wallet App to go through the process of how to do this. And so I'm assuming you're already all set up with that. If not, check out this video up here or down in the description for how to set up the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet App. And you're going to need to have CRO on the Cronos chain in order to do your unstaking from xVVS to VVS. Once you've got all of that sorted, head with me over to the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet app and we'll run through how to do this. From the home screen or the dashboard on the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet, click that Browser tab, which is the button down the bottom of the screen, right in the middle there that says Browser. And then from this screen, select VVS Finance. So everything VVS Finance related is going to be on that tab. If you haven't already disabled the risk warnings, click the Got It button and it should then open up the VVS Finance website or DApp for you. From this website, we want to click the Earn button. So that's the one down the bottom, second from the left there with the diamond. And then we want to click on xVVS. So when we go to that screen, if our wallet is connected, which it should be already if you've already staked VVS for xVVS, if not, you can use that little icon up the top right there to connect your wallet. So from the screen we can see we can toggle between stake and vault. Now, we can choose to unstake. Just by scrolling down, we've got that Get xVVS card there on the screen telling us what the APR is and so on. We can see what our total value in VVS is for our current total xVVS. We can also see how much of that xVVS is in the wallet and how much is in the vault. Now, this is important. You cannot unstake anything that's in the vault until the end of the lockup period in the vault. So if you're unsure about whether yours is in your wallet or in the vault, this summary here will tell you. So anything that's in the wallet, you can unstake back to regular VVS. If it's in the vault, you'll have to wait until the end of that locking period. So assuming you have got some xVVS in your wallet already and you're good to withdraw it, you just want to click that unstake button at the bottom of that card. And it'll then ask you how much you want to unstake. You can choose from those predefined options or you can enter your own amount. So I'm going to go with the max. Once you've selected, you'll click that confirm button. It's going to tell you exactly what's happening. So you're confirming you're unstaking xVVS tokens. So it's telling you how much you'll unstake and how much VVS you are subsequently going to receive. The difference is obviously based on the APR that you have earned whilst your VVS has been staked as xVVS. Once you're ready to go, click that blue confirm button down the bottom and it will ask you to perform a network confirmation. So you need CRO in your Cronos wallet to do this. So you can see here, I do have some. The estimated network fee is 0.394, etc. CRO. So we'll click confirm to proceed or reject if we've changed our minds. And that'll then start the process. It'll go to the network. Usually takes between a few seconds and a minute. I find about 30 to 40 seconds is about normal. And we should then receive that network confirmation. And those VVS tokens will go into our wallet in place of the xVVS. There you go. We've just got confirmation of that transaction being completed. And we now have those VVS in our wallet. So we're able to then use those to do something else. We've now got them back with interest, as well as whatever extra interest we earned while we were using them as xVVS for other purposes. So that's really awesome, straightforward, easy process to do. So from here, once you're done, just click that done button up the top left, and that will jump you back into the Crypto.com DeFi Wallet DApp browser screen. You can go back to the wallet tab or whatever you like there, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a really easy, straightforward process. for more VVS Finance and crypto.com.org, Cronos, whatever, related videos. Check out the links down in the description and make sure you give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. If you've got any questions at all about this or other things that are related to this that I have not covered, let me know down in the comments. I'm really keen to hear what you're interested to see more videos about. That's it for me for today. Have an awesome one and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.